Do you find yourself on Pinterest all the time, constantly looking at outfit inspiration, and you sometimes wonder, I love this outfit, but how the heck can I make it with my own clothes? Well, this video is for you. It can be hard to see all these cute outfits online and then realize that you don't own anything similar to it. But just know that it is possible to recreate outfits from Pinterest in the clothes that you have. So I'm going to show you how to do it with my clothes. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's been a while, but today I'm going to be recreating Pinterest outfit inspiration with my own wardrobe. So I thought this would be a fun challenge because I'm always seeing these really cute outfits on Pinterest for like summer vibes, and then I realized I don't own anything like that. However, I feel like if you get creative, you can recreate some really cute and special look with anything that you own. So I'm not necessarily going to be matching everything perfectly, but what I'm going to try and do is recreate the energy, the vibes, the idea behind the photo, and hopefully we can get some cute new outfit inspiration I've never worn before. This is the first outfit we're going to try and recreate, so a couple of things I definitely have, but I'm also going to have to get very creative with things and figure stuff out. Okay, first up we need some simple jeans. I think these are going to be the ones that I want because they're just no holes. They're just like a simple, like medium kind of wash, and I feel like they match the photo fairly well. In the photo, I think the shirt could be either a tank top or a regular shirt. So I'm just going to bring out a regular white tee, and then I'm going to also grab a white tank top, and we'll try both and see which one looks better. I have this green button-up shirt. I'm gonna try this out and see if it looks somewhat realistic as like a button-up thing. Can't forget a black claw clip. This necklace is pretty close to what she's wearing in the picture. Of course, the sunglasses as well. Okay, now I'm putting on a necklace, and there we go. Now I'm just unbuttoning the shirt and putting it on over my white tank top. Cute. All right, now I'm going to put my hair up in a claw clip. So right now I'm just kind of like twisting up my hair and like twisting it up like this, and then holding it against the back of my head and then putting the claw clip around it like so. And it's kind of messy, but I like it like that. Alrighty, outfit number one is done, and here's outfit number two. Let's get started putting this together. Okay, so I love this look, but we don't really have everything we need to get it fully together, so I'm going to improvise. For the maxi skirt, I'm going to be using this dress, and I'm going to fold it so it looks like a skirt. I love this dress so much. It's like perfect for this look. The tank top is yellow, and it kind of pulls in some of the colors in the skirt, and my skirt has green and blue, so I'm going to find a tight fitting kind of top that works with my skirt. Let's try this blue tank top out. It's a little different, but it's still tight fitting and it would work with the blues from the skirt. I'm going to use these sunglasses as my sunglasses from the picture, and this little purse as my purse for the picture. Forgot to mention, but I'm going to wear this necklace. Looks like this because in the picture she has some kind of like simple necklace with like a circle round like pendant on it. So that's what I'm going to do as well. And then she has like a little bracelet, so I'm going to put on this bracelet. Just, you know, spice things up a little bit. It is broken, but we can pretend that it's not. I'll put the sunglasses on the top of my head like that. Of course, can't forget the purse and the skirt. Yes, the outfit isn't exactly the same, but I feel like it catches the spirit of the vibes. Here's the outfit. It's so cute, such a vibe. I'm literally obsessed with how it turned out. Love it so much. Alright, next outfit is one that I'm absolutely obsessed with. It's this outfit. It's so cute and I can't wait to recreate it. Okay, so first off, here is the dress that is going to be like kind of like the romper in the picture. It's pretty close and I love this dress so much. I'm going to pair it with this white long sleeve I have. Of course, the black Converse and a little tote bag, and I'll put my hair up in a bun with this hair tie. Okay, here's a quick bun tutorial. So first you're just going to put your hair in a hair tie and then stop halfway and then twist your hair tie around once. And then you're going to wrap your hair around and put your hair tie over the hair that you just wrapped around your hair. And look, you have a nice messy low bun. Super cute, and I usually pull out a couple front pieces as well. This outfit is literally so cute. I'm actually obsessed with how it turned out. Literally, it's so close to the picture, and I love how it turned out. Alright, now that this outfit is done, we're gonna go on to this outfit. Super cute. I'm gonna use the Converse again, and we're gonna do it. The shorts we'll be using, the tank top, the hat. Alright, here's the outfit. It's super cute. I just kind of cropped the tank top just to give it some added flair, and then of course we've got the black Converse on, and honestly I'm like obsessed with this outfit. It's so simple, but yeah, it's also really cute. I've never like wear this all together, and I'm honestly obsessed. And then I have my hair in a bun, and I'm wearing a hat like this. Here's the full body look. Super cute. Like, I'm actually obsessed with this full outfit, and it's so cute. Okay, next outfit is this. I'm going to be using this black tank top. There's no jewelry in this outfit, which is kind of something different. So bare neck, and the hair appears to be up because we don't see it down. So I think I'm just going to leave mine up in a bun, and I'm going to get this skirt, which is like not a long skirt, but I feel like it's a similar color scheme with green and pink. It's a little wrinkled, but I think it'll look okay on camera. And yeah, I think this will be cute pairing, and I'm gonna wear my black Converse as my black shoes. And of course, we cannot forget the bag. So yeah, that's the look. Here's the full look on. I think it's super cute. It's like my own version of the Pinterest pin that I had pinned. I really like it, and I like the little pairing of the black with this skirt. Super cute, and I love it. Okay, here's the next outfit I want to try. It's super simple, but just pairing like a bikini top with like matching short color seems kind of cute. I'm gonna try with this bathing suit and these shorts. It's a little bit different, but similar idea. Okay, to be honest, this outfit is kind of like, I don't know, 50-50 on me. Let's just try it out. This outfit feels kind of silly, not gonna lie, but hey, it was worth a try. Alright, next up we're trying out this outfit. I already have my shirt on, but I need my necklace. And then for this outfit, I'm gonna need a bag. And then she's wearing jeans with it, but since it's summer, I feel like I'm gonna switch it to jean shorts because I can do what I want in my video. So yeah, I'm just gonna wear some jean shorts with this outfit, and I think it'll be pretty good. Let's wear the same jean shorts I had worn earlier. Alright, I got my bag. Let's check out the outfit. Come on, this is adorable. I'm obsessed with this outfit so much. Okay, this is the last outfit that we're gonna do for today. So I have jean shorts. I'm going to put on a gray tank top and have a little peak of a brightly colored swimsuit underneath. I think this is a cute idea. Let's see how it works. Alright, here's the top portion of the outfit. Let's see the full thing together. Okay, I like the idea of having like a brightly colored swimsuit, kind of like poking out from like a tank top. It's super cute. I love this idea. But yeah, very cute. I like it. And I think that's gonna be the end of our video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!